Welcome to Ebas Gallery. The XJ is the pinnacle of Jaguar's saloon car lineup. The luxury sports saloon delivers an unrivaled combination of Jaguar design and driving dynamics along with the ultimate in luxury refinement for drivers and passengers. The authoritative yet elegant design is formed around Jaguar's aluminium-intensive architecture. Its low-slung coupe-like stance, precise lines, and carefully judged proportions ensure it is instantly recognizable as a Jaguar from any angle. Inside, customers experience a perfect combination of intricate handmade details and beautifully crafted materials such as semi-aniline leather and inlay veneers alongside advanced technology. Rear occupants benefit from over a meter of legroom in long wheelbase models. For 2018 a new Jaguar XJR575 performance flagship is available, with a number of unique exterior and interior design cues including 2 unique paint colors created by special vehicle operations. Meanwhile, a distinctive 575 intaglio and diamond quilted seating finished with additional 575 branding set the interior apart. The Jaguar XJ is the largest model in our saloon car lineup and retains the physical presence and graceful design customers expect from a Jaguar flagship. Anyone who sees this car immediately knows it is both great to drive and to sit in. The intricate details inside and out give owners and passengers the feeling that they are in the presence of something truly special. Ian Callum, Director of Design, Jaguar. Creating a dynamic and refined driving experience has always been key to the Jaguar XJ's appeal. Advanced adaptive dynamics dampers adjust to suit the conditions and driving style by monitoring the car up to 500 times a second. Analyzing acceleration, cornering, throttle and brake pedal activity, and working alongside the air suspension system, the intelligent setup improves body control in dynamic driving without compromising ride comfort. The Jaguar XJR575 features a unique version of Jaguar's legendary 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine. Delivering 575 PS and 700 Nm of torque, the engine powers the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, and onto a top speed of 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour. The 25 PS power increase is the result of enhanced engine calibration. Jaguar's leadership in steering feel and vehicle dynamics is enhanced by the application of electric power-assisted steering, EPAS, for rear-wheel drive models. This setup also underpins a range of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including lane keep assist, driver condition monitor and bay and parallel park assist. The vehicle's ability is outstanding even in low grip conditions with all surface progress control, ASPC, coming into its own. Developed for low-speed driving in adverse conditions, ASPC automatically manages the brakes and throttle to deliver the best possible traction, ensuring the vehicle is able to pull away smoothly and without drama. All the driver has to do is steer. ASPC is fitted to all models and operates between 1 mile per hour, 3.6 kilometers per hour, and 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, with the driver using the cruise control switches to select and maintain the desired speed.